This is a M&C Condor. There's the original packaging. It has Brabant veilig on the front, which is a home security company from the Netherlands. I believe they just, they buy the M&C Condor locks and then put their branding on it. It's got the snap resistance. On the side of the lock, there's a serial number with the M&C company, name on it. If I get this open, I'll take it out and show you. It's a 6-pin dimple core with sliders. So you might have to bear with me for a second because I am not the best with sliders. Okay, so I'm gonna use just a Sparrow Z-bar and then a Sparrow's flag. And then going in, there's nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Maybe click on 3. That's up on a 4. Click out a 1, a little bit of movement on the core. Click out a 2. 3, 4. So come back up to the front. Got another click and another little bit of movement. Alright. That's on 5 or 6. My pick's rolling off a bit, that's the problem. Yeah, I might have to go back to the other. Okay. Come on. We're not quite in the full set yet. There we go. Now we're in the full set. Hit these 2 pins on the side real quick just to make sure that they're set. I'll try to make sure that they're set. Let's give them a little scrub. Okay. Now, all I should have left is the sliders. Kind of looking for a slider that's binding. Trying to slide them to the right. We'll click out of something. Let some tension off on accident. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, and I just dropped the pins into the keyway, but that's fine. Okay. Ooh, alright. So now, so you can see I just dropped the driver pins in. Let me find something to fix that real quick. pick I was just using. Okay, let's get them down. Oh, or is it? Is this not gonna work? Because there's probably no. It has to work, right? Yeah, let's put those down and grab one of these. Hopefully this will do it. No, I messed it up, but that's okay. Alright, I mean, so as you can see, I had the lock open, I just kinda boneheaded it. So, yeah, I just definitely boneheaded it. Almost had it. So now I just gotta get something thin enough. I know you're gonna hear somewhere. That was too thick. Just grab me I'm looking for one specific turning tool that I have that I had earlier that I dropped somewhere because I was using it for something, but of course now that I need it, it's somewhere in the pile of mess that I have going on my table. It's not you, it's not you, it's not you. I know what the problem is. This is too wide to go where I need it to, almost. Just give me a damn pick. Coming from the back. This is not the first time I've done this to myself. It's just not cooperating. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix this off camera, but yeah, that is the M&C Condor with a mistake.